the final 24 feet, which is going to give us our 96. I hope you are hearing me, guys. We are going to measure 24 feet from here, which is the final one. Yes, guys, so that means what is going to happen is that this post, now all you have to do is just move it over here, move it over here, so that it is touching on the card, right? That is all we have to be. That is all we have to do. And then now, what I'm going to do now is just verify one more time. It is basically 24 feet. Yeah, guys, it is shaping up. So, perfecto. Remember, is the last triangle we're asking. Don't you worry. Our 18 feet sits right there. Remember, it is the last triangle we are at. So I am going to put this convenient, this little hook thing. Can just throw it over the steel. I can just drag it along. People. So get our 9 meters, we get our 18 feet, and we see where they basically intercept. Where they meet each other. So right, guys, this is where they meet. So of course our post will be right here. No guessing, no wondering. We are using perfect right angle triangles. Alright, so now that we have our 4 triangles, right? What we are going to do now is we are going to, at the top, what we are going to do is basically measure 18 feet from this last post. Right? Measure 18 feet from this last post, right? There's 18. 18 is right there. We lock the tape right there. We are going to measure from here, and we are going to measure the hypotenuse of this last triangle up here, right? Because we want to get this last post, right? We want to get this last post here. So what we are going to do is ensure that we get 9 meters here. Here's 9 meter, right? Here 9 meter, and then 18. You just use the stone for now. So now we are basically finished, right? So what we have done is we have measured out all our 4 triangles, right? We are finished with that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to basically just run the card. The card is already on this side. I'm just going to just run the card around and down along those posts on that side, just to get our rectangle, right? Grab the card, put the card on this here. This is the post here. Alright, so we're going around now. I know that they are going to basically be in line. So what I'm doing is just kind of freeing up the card all the way down, and then when I reach the end that we started, it should give me a perfectly straight line. Look at what I'm doing. I'm not doing any adjustments down here, and you are going to see. Let me just wrap this here, right? Wrap this here, and then I'm going to bring this one. Come along. I'm going to bring this one around here. So we back where we started. Oh yeah, which is here. And give it a nice tie. Nothing too much. Right? Nothing too much. So guys, guess what? We are finished. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just grab the hammer. I'm going to grab the hammer and let me just clear up these kind of things underneath the card, just to kind of allow it to be free, touching the post, right? Okay. Right. Yes, this looks good. Nice. Wonderful. Okay. Great. This is great stuff. This is the 4 triangle, guys. Yeah, we are finished. So I'm going to just grab the camera and just show you exactly what is going on, right? And if I should measure this length side, this is already, we know that it is 96 feet. If I should measure over that side, I'm still going to get 96 feet. So, what I'm going to do now, let me just grab the camera. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.